One of my students, I helped to get 4,000 watch hours. They applied for monetization and YouTube rejected them monetization. And you know why they got rejected? They got rejected just because of a simple small mistake that YouTube takes so serious. There's a mistake this creator did and got him rejected. And not only this creator, there's also another student of mine that applied for monetization. She got accepted in the YouTube partner program. And 1 week after, YouTube removed her in the YouTube partner program, like she was demonetized in simple terms. And it is same story. She also did a very small mistake, a common mistake that YouTube takes very serious. Now, I decided to come up with this video and show you what exactly happened to these creators, because if any creator here on YouTube happened to do these mistakes, any kind of a creator, no matter your niche, you can never monetize here on YouTube. And that's the reason why I decided to come up with this kind of a video to help you never to do these mistakes. And if it happens that you do anything of what I'm gonna share in this video, even if you're monetized, YouTube accepted you in the YouTube partner program, they can still demonetize your channel. And if you're not monetized, you may face the biggest problem. So every creator out there, you need to know this kind of information. Now, this is the channel, and as you see, this channel has over 9,000 subscribers. And when you look above here, after careful review of your appeal, your channel remains ineligible for monetization. Now, before we go any far, never do this mistake. If you ever get rejected, do not appeal if you really know that there is something wrong on your channel. This option appeal was made by YouTube. In case YouTube rejects your channel by mistake, that is when you have to appeal. But in case they reject your channel and the truth is that you made that mistake and you try to appeal, it will not work. Instead, it will take you to more problems. It can even make your channel never to get monetized forever if you do this mistake, as I'm gonna show you later in this video. Alright, let's get back here. As you see, this channel has over 9,000 subscribers, and when we go in the analytics right here, you're gonna realize that in the last 28 days, this channel has got over 4,000 watch hours. This is my student. I helped him to get over 4,000 watch hours on his channel. And now, after this creator getting 4,000 watch hours with more than 9,000 subscribers, he was able to apply for monetization. But he did a mistake. He applied before I told him to apply, and I'm gonna show you why he got rejected. Let's go straight to the tab right here. Alright, as you see, your channel remains ineligible for monetization, and here are the reasons. Confirmed inauthentic content. Inauthentic content. What is YouTube really meaning? Let's go to the content right here. This is very, very important if you're really serious about monetization on YouTube, because monetization is hard to get, but again, monetization, it is very hard to maintain. And the mistakes that actually takes away monetization, they are very small mistakes, very tiny mistakes. I actually call them at a time silly mistakes. All right, let's go straight to the content right here. Now, the reason why this channel actually got rejected, it is right here. Let's click at this video and watch this video.
Chapter 1. Light.
There is nothing moving in this video like animations or any kind of motions in this video. That's the first reason to why YouTube rejected this channel for monetization. Right in this caption, they state it very well. Our viewers found that much of your content appears mass-produced or repetitive. As you saw the video we watched, the video of this channel, it is just a picture having a voiceover with captions on it. And the second mistake is right here. Let's get back to the channel. Now, once you hit the threshold for monetization, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, never rush to apply for monetization. Always do this, okay? Let me use one of my students' channel that is able to apply for monetization. Actually, congratulations to this student, because they just hit their 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers today, as I've been working on her channel. This is one of my students that just joined a few weeks back, and today she's able to apply for monetization. All right, let's go to the untab right here. As you see in the untab, there is this button, apply now. Now, a lot of you, once you get this button in your untab, which is apply now, you feel like you want to apply now, as they say apply now, but never do that. What you need to do first before you apply is to make sure that your channel is in the right position to apply. Just because you saw the button apply now, you're going to go ahead and apply, and after applying you're gonna get rejected, just like my student I showed you. This channel with over 9,000 subscribers, you have 4,000 watch hours, and then you get rejected. What you need to do first before you apply is this right here. Always go to your content, click at content. Do this before you apply. Please don't do it after applying. So you're gonna go straight to your content, and what you're gonna do is to go to shorts. After going to shorts, you're gonna click at filter. You see filter right here, and then you're gonna click at copyright. Now after clicking at copyright, the YouTube Studio is going to filter copyrighted content on your channel. As you see this channel right here, it has these shorts that are copyrighted. I always recommend you never apply for monetization with copyrighted contents on your channel. Now if you find out that you have some content on your channel that are copyrighted and you're able to apply for monetization, I recommend you don't delete that content, because some of you like deleting videos from your channels, and I always say that do not delete videos from your channels. In case you have copyrighted content, just go to the particular video that has copyright. For example, the first video right here, you go under restrictions. You see restriction right here. You're gonna put this pointer at this row for the particular video that you want to fix copyright. Okay, so this notification gonna pop up. Are you seeing the notification that is popping up? You're gonna pull your pointer to see details, and then you're gonna click at see details. So this is gonna pop up for that particular video. You're gonna go ahead and take action. Okay, and in most cases it is the songs that actually have copyright. So in case it is a song, you can erase the song, you can replace the song, or you can dispute the song. Replacing it will take you to the audio library of YouTube, which contains free songs they can actually replace with this copyrighted song. All right, let's get back real quick and go to the next thing. The next thing you're gonna do after confirming that all your shorts are clean, you don't have any copyrighted short, go straight to your videos, and you're gonna do the same thing. Click at filter copyright, and if you find out that any video is copyrighted under your long form videos, always make sure that you fix that, and I've showed you how to fix it. You go under restriction, copyright right here, this notification gonna pop up. You click at see details, and then you can fix the song, because as you see, even this video has the same problem with the song that is copyrighted. For this channel, as I said, when you go in the untab, this channel is able to apply for monetization. But in case this creator rushes and apply with those copyright marks on her videos, she will get rejected. She will never get accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. That's why I said always make sure that your channel is clean to apply for monetization before you apply for monetization, because you're seeing the apply now button in your untab, and then you feel so much excited, you go ahead and apply, and later you get rejected. And once you get rejected, it will be more complicated for you. Now another channel is here. This channel has over 20,000 subscribers. This channel applied for monetization. YouTube accepted it in the YouTube Partner Program, and a few days after, YouTube removed this channel in the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube demonetized this channel. And as I'm talking right now, when you go in the untab of this channel is not monetized. But when we go in the analytics, first of all, you're gonna find out that in the last, let me filter for the last 90 days, because this channel, I worked on it some time back. As you see right here, this channel got more than 4,000 watch hours, which is required. So this channel applied for monetization. As I said, they got accepted, and a few days after, YouTube demonetized this channel, even before getting their first paycheck. And when you look at the reason why YouTube demonetized this channel, they say violation of YouTube monetization policies. And now when you look right here, edit your channel and reapply, meaning the problem was within the content of this channel. Now as you see, this channel, this is the kind of content it makes, and the owner of this channel has two channels that are similar. This is the second channel of them, and when you look at these two channels, they're almost the same. They upload the same content. What differentiates them? It is the channel names. This is the first channel, and this is the second channel right here. Now this is what happened, and this is the reason why this channel got demonetized. This creator, after getting monetized, she uploaded a video on this channel and took the same video and uploaded it on this other channel. Now if you're out there and you're not monetized, for example, and you make a video, you upload that video on your main channel, and you take that same video, you upload it on your second channel. Since you're not monetized, YouTube will not mind about that. YouTube will not send you an email or do anything about about that. But once you meet the threshold of monetization, you get 4,000 watch hours with 1,000 subscribers, you apply for monetization, YouTube will reject your channel to monetize. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out this video if you're still struggling with getting 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I share a strategy that you can use to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Yes, you heard it very well. You can get 1,000 subscribers in just one day using the strategy I shared in this video. So check out this video to know how to get 1,000 subscribers in just one day. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.